Hello everyone, today we'll talk about add tens. Your classwork is on page 411, 412, 413. Your homework on page 414. Okay? As you can see here, I have 10. Say hi for 10, queen of the number. I have 20 and 70. Your homework, you can do it on Tuesday. Okay? Now, let's talk about 10. Say hi first for Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey likes the 10. It's queen of the number. The queen of the numbers. Why we call 10 the queen of the numbers? Because as I said before, any number that, especially the numbers that are close to 10, likes to become 10. Okay? If I add 8 and 5 together, I put them together. The 8 needs 2 to become 10. So it will take this 2 from the 5. You know that the 5 I can split it into 2 and 3. Okay, if I take 2 with the 8 together, they will become 10. What left with me? 3. 10 and 3, 13. The answer is 13. Okay, now I can draw the 10 in another way. If I put the 10 ones like your fingers, we say you have 10 fingers in your hands. If I put them in a group, I will call it 110. A group of 10. It's 110. You can put it together, all the ones together, 10 ones to make 110. You can draw it as one line. You can say 110. Okay, if you put another 10, it will be 2 tens. It's like 20. You can draw it as 2 lines. Okay, and so on, like this. On this case, I have 3 groups of tens. It's like the apples here. You have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. 3 groups of tens. How you will draw them? 3 lines to present 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, you will put 0 in the y. Remember, when you write 30, it ends with y, so the 0 will sit in the y. You will say 30. If you gonna represent 40, you will use how many lines? 4 groups of 10. You will say 40. Remember to put the 0 in the y. Let's see now the place value. It's the place value. It tells you where the number can stay or stand. Okay, I have 3 rooms in my land. This is the land of the ones. Okay, remember, I'm talking about the land of the ones. I have 3, we can say 3 houses, 3 rooms if you like. Okay, the first one, ones. It's having number from 0 till 9. The second one is tens. Who live in the tens? You can see it's a castle. Who can live on this castle? 10 and her brother and sister. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So also you'll put numbers from 0 till 9. And the last one, hundreds. You can see here the 10 and here the ones, and last one is hundreds, and we can say hundreds are fat. Okay, so again, ones are small. You see, they are baby, they are small one. Tens are tall. How I'll draw them? Like lines. So we say tens are tall. T, tens, T, tall. and hundreds are fat. Okay, one more time. Ones are small, tens are tall, hundreds are fat. Now let's remember how we can do the addition. We use which sign? Plus sign. So say hi for the plus sign. The plus sign has two hands to put the numbers together. Okay? So your number will get bigger. Remember, when I use the plus sign, my numbers will get bigger. The answer will get greater from any number I used. I put two parts together to have a whole big number. Now, the key words for addition, the magic words are all, together, join, and add. Say it one more time. All, together, join, and add. You can use the word also, the word now. Okay? Today we will talk about adding tens. It's very easy lesson. Adding tens. We will try before to open the page of your book to do it on your manipulative. So please open your manipulative from the website of Sadlier. Okay, so open Sadlier. You have here virtual manipulative. Place value base 10 model. Remember to choose here tens, okay, ones and tens, and remove this one. Now I'm talking about adding tens. So let's say I have 20 plus 30. 20. So how many tens I'll put? 2 tens. And 30 I'll put it down. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. If I ask you how many all together, what you will say? 2 tens and 3 tens together. If you put them together, you'll use the plus sign equals 5. 5 tens. Remember, I can remove the word tens and put what? 0. Because 110 has 1 0. So it will be 20. You see, I remove the word tens. 20 plus 30 equals 50. Okay, so the answer is 50. It's very easy. Again, I will do it one more time. You can choose here tens, remove this one, and let's take the tens. My numbers are 50 and 30. 50. So you see, I'm not putting anything in the ones. I'm only using tens. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 plus 31, 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, that means 30. How many all together? If you will count the tens, you have here 3 tens and 5 tens, and mean plus. So 5 and 3 equals 8 tens. Together they are 8 tens. And if you write them by numbers, you remove the tens and what you'll put? 0. So you say 50 plus 30 equals 80. I'll tell you a little secret about adding 2 digits number. You see, I'm using 2 digits number. This is 1 digit, this is 2 digits. Okay? Each number is one digit, represent one digit. When you add, please make a line between them. Okay, this is the ones and this is the tens. Remember always to start from the ones because they are the baby, but I don't have anything here, so it's 0. Okay, we'll bring them down. And in the tens you have 5 and 3 together equals 8. You understand? Let's do it on our math book. Please try it by yourself on the virtual manipulative like me and count them and tell how many altogether. Okay, like on this case we say 8 tens equals to 80. Let's back to our book and please open page 411. Can you write the page 411? How you write it? How many hundreds? 4. How many tens? 11. We say 11. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 1. Okay, 11. Now, is this number odd or even? Look at the ones. Is it odd or even? It's only 1. Oh, 1 like odd. So it's odd number. Okay, we are back to page 411. Let's start to add. 6 tens plus 3 tens, yes, equals 3 and 6, 9. You circle 6, put 3 on your fingers, count after 6. 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 tens. Now if you write it as a numbers, 6 tens equals 60 because the tens has 1 0. 3 tens equals 30. Add them like 6 and 3 equals 9 and 0 is here. Okay, again 1 10 plus 5 10. How many tens? 1 and 5 together equals 6 tens. You see, I'm still having the word tens. If I remove it, it will be 0. Write them with number. 10 plus 50 equals 60. 3 tens and 5 tens, the same. Circle 5, count after 5. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 tens. Okay? Write them with numbers. Remove the word tens. It will be 30 plus 50 equals 80. It's very easy. Go to the next page. What it will be? 411. What come after 411? 412. Amazing. Can you do it by yourself? They say add, use the 10 models to check your answer. Really? Do you need to draw? You can do it. I'm sure you can do it by yourself without drawing. If you like to draw, it's up to you. Okay? Let's draw this one. 20 plus 70. How many tens I'll draw? 2 tens. And how many 70? How many tens? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All together, they are 90. Starting from the ones. Okay? Let's do this one. 30 plus 30. You can draw a line between them if you like. Start from the ones. How many the ones? 0. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay? Can you do this one? Number 10. 20 plus 40. It's like normal adding. Like you are adding. 2 plus 4. Okay? Start from the ones. They are 0. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I'll do this. This is what? Doubles. You have 0 here. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's do the problem solving. The same page. Lucy has 2 notebooks. Okay? Notebook like a copybook. One notebook has 30 sheets of paper. So circle the number 30. The other book also, we talk about the word also, has 30 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper does Lucy have in all? All together, join and add. What you will use? Plus sign. Okay, also we can use it with the plus sign. So 30 plus 30, do you know the answer? Please write it here. I'm pretty sure you know it. It's very easy. Okay, you see, we say sheets of paper in all. Let's go to the next page. What after 412? 413. You see, I'm writing 400, then 13. It's the same. Can you add 4 plus 3 equals 7 tens? Now, if you will write it as a number, you'll say 40 plus 30. Please do the rest by yourself. I will do the last two. 110 plus 810. It's like 10 and 80 together. They are 9 tens or 90. 4 tens and 4 tens, they are what? Doubles. Can you write the answer by yourself? I'm pretty sure you can do it by yourself. Okay? Let's, I think we finished the book. Okay. So, thank you for listening. Please, you can do the homework tomorrow. And thank you.